Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing with the Lorac Pro Palette Noir eyeshadow palette. And that's what she looks like. I couldn't help but to love this color story with all the shimmers. And I'm going to make a look with this and see what I can come up with. If that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm going to take off my glasses. Ooh, I forgot to put my hair back. Let me throw my hair back real quick. Alright, my hair's back. I put my brows on with the Joa Precision Brow Pencil in Ebony. And I prime my eyes with the Sigma Eyeshadow Base Primer in Ignite. And I put a little bit of lip balm on with the Milani Fruit Fetish lip balm in Pumpkin Spice. So really love this lip balm. But we're going to get into the Lorac Noir palette. And I'm going to take Soft Taupe right here. And I'm going to put that in my crease as my transition shade. I just really couldn't help but to pick up this palette. It just, I don't know what it was, but the color story just spoke to me. I don't know if it's just that it's more neutral, cool tone palette that I've kind of been loving lately or what, but I picked it up when I picked up the holiday palette. Alright, now I'm going to take Sable to deepen it up a little bit and put a little bit on my outer corner as well. Alright, I'm going to take the shade Burgundy right here. And I'm going to put that on the outside corner to deepen it up some more. Alright, I'm going to take Smoke because that didn't do as much as I wanted it to. And do the same thing, just deepen up my outer corner. And that's better. Alright, I'm going to take the shade Whiskey and put that in the middle of my eye. Now I'm going to take Primrose and I'm going to put that on the inner part of my lid. I'm going to clean up with a cotton round and some micellar water. Just kind of clean up my edges. I'm taking the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Hydrating Primer. I'm just dotting that on my face. And blend it out. And I'm taking the CoverGirl and Olay Advanced Radiance Foundation. And I'm going to dot that on my face. Blending it out with my Sigma multitasker brush. I'm taking the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in Porcelain. And I'm going to dot that on my under eyes. Blending it out with my concealer brush. As always, I'm taking my number 7 powder in light and I'm going to set my concealer. Taking the Milani Silky Matte Bronzing Powder in Sunlight. I'm going under my chin and I'm going down my neck. I'm taking the Melt Digital Dust Duo blush in Raw Honey. I'm going to take Sable and I'm going to put it underneath my lower lash line. Alright, I'm going to take the Milk Makeup Longwear Gel Eyeliner in BCC. It's just a beige color. And I'm going to put that in my waterline. Alright, now I'm going to take the shade Whisper and I'm going to put that in my inner corner as my inner corner highlight. I'm going to hop off here, throw on some Thrive Cosmetics mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright, now I'm going to take the Juvia's Place Luxe Liner in So Rare. And I'm going to line my lips real quick. Now I'm taking the Juvia's Place lipstick in Toffee. And I'm going to put that on my lips now. Now I'm taking the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Crystal. And I'm going to put that on my lips. And I'm taking the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And I'm going to spray my face. Alright, well this is the final look using the Lorac Pro Palette Noir. This palette is just beautiful to me. I love it. I love that it's more of a cool tone palette with some neutrals, and I'm just digging cool tones nowadays. The Lorac formula is just beautiful. The only thing that drives me crazy is the packaging. You get fingerprints all over it and you can't really get them off, but that's neither here nor there. That's fine. It's the formula that I care about the most. And it's a great formula. I'm super excited to keep playing with it. I have 2 more little palettes that I want to play with too from Lorac that I got that are just little palettes for a quick look. And I'm super excited to play with them. But I'm really loving this look. I really had a whole lot of fun doing this look today. And I hope you enjoy it and enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that's going to be all for me. I hope you are staying happy, staying healthy, taking care of yourselves, and I hope you have a great rest of the day. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.